Oh, there we are. Uh-oh, kids riding down my street. Probably on our way to school. But check out my bamboo. September 16th, 2021. Look how big my bamboo's getting. Those are about 30 feet now, probably. And they're gonna keep going. They're gonna probably get a little taller or a lot taller. Ooh, I got a couple down there that you can't hardly see. But yeah, doing really good. Oh, got a new member of the family here. Come over here, check this out. Well, here's my old piece of junk with a blown freeze plug. Picked up this yesterday, new race truck. Check it out. Those headlights are a little foggy, a little brittle looking. Might have to get some new ones of those. Race truck. If it don't make it go faster, you don't need it. But yeah, beautiful green spray can job there. Shaker can. Look inside here. You see there's a stick in there, big old 5-speed. Got a nice bed liner in there. Got this steel rail on there and these tie downs. Got this rack. Look at that rack. Awesome rack in there. That unscrews and goes into the back here so you can put your planks and stuff up on top over the cab. Very nice. Got this optional rope tied onto the trailer hitch there that won't come off because somebody tied it on there wrong. But that's good. We don't mind. It's got a little bit of rust here and there. A couple little ventilation holes. I might fix some of that. I got one on the top of the cab on the other side up here by the rail. Probably fix that one. I think the windshield's got a little drip too. Might have to pull that out and redo that. This trim clips down here are off, but yeah, good solid Ford. Let's look at the motor. Let's take a peek in there. Hood release works pretty good. You just gotta pull that there. Lost a little piece. Gotta go to the junkyard and try to pick up some pieces for this. Got a little bit of rust there. Not too bad. No real holes. No, maybe one little hole. I think it's a screw hole actually. Probably for the trim there. Yeah, a couple trim holes. A little bit of rust there. Not bad. Not bad. We can fiberglass that up. Go up here. Look at the missing a little bolt there. A rivet or something. Can't remember how to get this thing open. There she goes. There it is, motor. It's a straight 6. So it's nice and easy to work on, or fairly easy to work on. Got some spark plug things down there. The distribution cap. Got an oil filter there. I don't see any rat's nests or anything. It looks pretty good. Oh, got a brand new hood seal here. That's like $67 for that. I ordered it for him. Got that on there. Beauty. So it doesn't drip into the ignition anymore. And yeah, race truck. Runs pretty good. For 93, I don't know how many miles. I didn't even look. I don't even know how many miles it's got. Let's take a look. Let's see. Oh, the odometer thing isn't working. It's got a... Here, let's see if it starts. It runs, but the odometer light don't work. Got a nice ashtray in here. Got a glove box. Oh yeah, that'll hold a couple guns in there. High, low. Oh, AC. It does have AC. I just have to get that fixed maybe. I don't want to take off in it. Got a little bit of a exhaust leak there. Beauty, and then you got to pull this thing back and turn that off. But the key's stuck in there. The key doesn't come out for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe somebody can tell me how to get that out of there.